For centuries, humanity has gazed up at the stars, pondering the mysteries of the cosmos. Ancient monuments and texts have led some to believe that our ancestors were visited by otherworldly beings. But is there truth to these claims? Today, we explore the intriguing theory of ancient aliens and the quest to understand our past. The ancient alien theory suggests that extraterrestrial beings visited Earth in the distant past, influencing human cultures, technologies, and religions. Proponents of this idea point to artifacts and architectural marvels that seem beyond the capabilities of early humans. One of the most compelling examples cited by proponents is the Great Pyramids of Giza. These structures, some of the most enduring and precise architectural feats in human history, are often mentioned due to their seemingly impossible construction techniques, precise alignment with the stars, and the sheer size and weight of the limestone blocks used. Enthusiasts argue that the ancient Egyptians lacked the technology, knowledge, or both to accomplish such feats, suggesting alien influence or technology. Similarly, the Nazca lines in Peru are another focal point for ancient alien theorists. These large geoglyphs, created by removing the reddish pebbles and uncovering the whitish ground beneath, depict various plants, animals, and shapes and are best seen from the sky. Their purpose remains a mystery, leading some to speculate they served as a kind of landing strip for alien visitors or were messages intended for beings observing from the sky. Another frequently cited example is the Moai statues of Easter Island. These towering figures were crafted and transported by the Rapa Nui people. The mystery lies in how these massive statues, some weighing over 80 tons, were moved across the island without what we know of as modern machinery or tools. The precision and scale of these endeavors often lead proponents of ancient alien theories to speculate about extraterrestrial assistance in their construction and transportation. Supporters of the ancient alien hypothesis often cite ancient texts and mythologies rife with descriptions of gods or celestial beings who descend from the heavens. The Hindu epic texts like the Mahabharata and Ramayana describe the Manas and Astras, flying chariots, and powerful weapons that resemble modern depictions of aircraft and ballistic missiles. The detailed descriptions of their capabilities and the knowledge of the universe they provide have led some to argue these were not mere myths, but records of actual encounters with advanced technologies or beings. Artifacts such as the Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek device found in the Aegean Sea, is often touted as evidence of advanced ancient knowledge. Its sophisticated use of gears and understanding of astronomical cycles predates similar technology by thousands of years. The precision and complexity of the mechanism suggests to some that there was a forgotten or unknown civilization with advanced technological understanding, possibly influenced by extraterrestrial contact. In terms of iconography, ancient art and carvings seemingly depict astronauts, aircraft, and complex technological apparatuses. The Pacal sarcophagus lid, for example, is often interpreted by ancient alien theorists as showing the Mayan king Pacal sitting in a sort of spacecraft, manipulating controls, breathing from an oxygen mask, all surrounded by what appears to be flames and smoke, suggesting a rocket launch. Similarly, rock paintings from various parts of the world depict humanoid figures with what could be interpreted as helmets and suits, or objects in the sky that resemble modern flying saucers or vehicles. Yet, skeptics of the ancient alien theory argue that it underestimates human ingenuity and the complexity of ancient cultures. They point to the gradual development of tools and techniques, as well as the symbolic and religious significance of the artifacts in question. In the case of the Egyptian pyramids, archaeological evidence and historical records suggest that the Egyptians had the necessary tools, workforce, and knowledge to construct such monumental structures. The alignment with celestial bodies can be explained by their advanced understanding of astronomy, and the logistics of construction are increasingly understood through discoveries of worker camps and tools. Regarding the Nazca lines, while their full purpose is not entirely understood, most scholars believe they were related to religious or astronomical purposes. The methods to create these geoglyphs could have been simple surveying techniques available at the time and do not require any advanced technology. The visibility from the air does not necessarily imply they were made for beings to view from the sky, but could instead have had spiritual significance, guiding spirits or gods. The transport and erection of the Moai statues are now believed to be accomplished using a clever system of ropes, sleds, and a coordinated workforce, as recent experiments and archaeological evidence have suggested. While it's a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the Rapa Nui people, it doesn't necessarily invoke alien technology. In general, skeptics argue that the ancient alien hypothesis often discredits human ingenuity and the ability of ancient cultures to solve complex problems. It also tends to interpret evidence through a modern lens, projecting contemporary understandings of technology and space back onto historical peoples who had their own rich understandings of the world. They advocate for a closer examination of the cultural context, available materials, and historical records to understand these ancient accomplishments. While acknowledging the mysteries and gaps in our understanding, they caution against filling these gaps with extraterrestrial explanations without substantial evidence. Despite the skepticism from the scientific community, the idea of ancient aliens has captivated the public imagination. It has spawned a multitude of books, documentaries, and even a popular television series. This fascination reflects our eternal desire to understand our origins and our place in the universe. While the theory of ancient aliens provides an intriguing narrative, it remains controversial and largely unsupported by the scientific community. As we continue to explore and understand our past, we must balance our imagination with critical thinking and evidence-based research. The true story of our ancestors may be just as fascinating as the myths and legends we create.